Imagine you finally bought that Bitcoin you've been eyeing, but it's chilling out on some exchange you barely use anymore. Not ideal, right? Especially when the crypto world moves so fast, you want your funds readily available. Well, fear not, crypto comrades. Today, we're diving into how to break your crypto out of Newton and send it to your own wallet, giving you total control over your funds. Let's face it, exchanges are fantastic for buying and selling crypto, but for long-term storage or active trading, a dedicated crypto wallet offers more security and flexibility. So, if you're ready to take the reins and become your own crypto bank, this video is for you. Now, before we jump in, a quick heads up. Sending crypto involves a bit of responsibility, so let's make sure you've got your captain's hat on. First things first, only send crypto to wallets that support the specific currency you're transferring. Mixing and matching can lead to lost funds, and that's a crypto nightmare we want to avoid. Second, double check, triple check, and maybe even quadruple check the wallet address you're sending to. A typo there, and your crypto could vanish into the digital abyss. Lastly, make sure you understand any fees associated with the transfer. Transparency is key. Alright, with those safety precautions in mind, let's set sail and navigate your crypto to freedom. We'll be tackling this in two parts, first, using the Newton app, and then the Newton website. So, whether you're a mobile maestro or a desktop dominator, we've got you covered. Part 1, Newton mobile app. Alright, mateys, grab your phones and fire up the Newton app. You're looking sharp. Now, down at the bottom of that snazzy dashboard, you'll see a bunch of icons. Set your sights on the one that looks like a spaceship blasting off. That's the transfer icon. Tap that bad boy, and a whole new world of crypto movement opens up. Once you're in the transfer section, navigate to the glorious tab labeled Crypto to Wallet. This is where the magic happens. Now, Newton is pretty friendly and might have some wallet addresses you've used before saved in its little address book. If the address you want to use is there, feel free to select it. But if you're sending your crypto to a brand new wallet, tap on Add Address. Here comes the important part, so buckle up. You'll need to enter the wallet address you're sending your crypto to. This will be a long string of letters and numbers, kind of like a super secure zip code for the crypto world. Now, you can either copy and paste this address from your wallet, or if your wallet has a QR code feature, you can use your phone's camera to scan it. Just make sure you're scanning the correct QR code, because nobody wants a crypto whoops. Once you've got the address locked and loaded, it's time to decide how much crypto treasure you want to send. Newton will display the current price, so you can make an informed decision. Remember, fees might apply, so factor that in when choosing your amount. Happy with everything? Then hit that beautiful Review Withdrawal button. This is your final chance to make sure everything is shipshape. Double check the address, the amount, and the fees. If it all looks A-OK, then give withdraw funds a good tap, and off your crypto goes. Part 2, Newton website. For our desktop captains, the process is very similar. Head over to the Newton website and log into your account. Once you're greeted by your crypto holdings, look towards the right-hand side of the screen. See that upward-facing arrow? That's your ticket to crypto freedom. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select the ever-so-important Crypto to Wallet option. Now, the website might have some saved addresses for you as well. The process for using a saved address or adding a new one is identical to what we did on the app. Just follow those same steps, and you'll be good to go. Once you've got the address and amount sorted, click on Review Withdrawal. Just like with the app, this is your final chance to ensure everything is correct. Satisfied? Then hit that Withdraw Funds button, and your crypto adventure begins. Congratulations! You've successfully